That one dance, baby. That one dance. Guys, welcome to Glamorousmorana channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be attempting to do my eyeshadow design, like an eyeshadow design. I have no clue how they do them cute little designs in the eyes. Like I always wanted to do like a cute eyeshadow design. Like I don't know how to apply it. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so if I have foundation, concealer, I think I might do a decent like 5%, let's say 2% job on my face, but I don't know how to use it. But today I'm just going to be using eyeshadow palettes. So I have the Morphe palette, and this is like the colors. So I don't know what color like I'm going for. And I have this one. This is like different eyeshadows. So I have no clue what to do. And I have some brushes. I'm not sure what to use, but I'm going to try to do it, okay? Now, if you see I'm sweating on the camera, it's super hot. It's very hot. So I'm going to be using some wipes if I do any type of mistake. Now I have some brushes here. I don't know if it's for what to use it for, when I use it for. I have no clue. So you know, I'm gonna stick to like one brush. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So this is the brush I'm using. Don't know if it's for your face. I don't know. Okay, I'm going for like not so dramatic look. So I have no clue. When I normally wear eyeshadow, I only wear one color because I don't want to blend. So let's see, what color should I go with? Okay. First, I think you have to go with the lightest color first in your eyes, then you go to the dramatic. You go to the light, then to the dark, and to the darkest, right? I'm not sure. So I'm going to the darkest, I mean the lightest. So I'm going to use, I don't know what's this, I'm just going to use it. So this is like a base. Okay, so I'm using this as a base color. You gotta fake it till you make it, right? Fake it till you make it. So when I watch YouTube videos, I think you gotta put the lighter color. So that's what I'm doing. You can see I have no clue what I'm doing because I'm not even holding the brush, it says. I'm going to stop